Hey, so I've been reading this cool book called The Great Mental Models, and there's this idea in that book that I can't stop thinking about, and that's entropy. You know how sometimes it feels like everything just falling apart, no matter how hard you try to keep it together. That's entropy in action. Let me break it down to you. It's wild. So, entropy, this concept comes from physics, right? It's basically a measure of disorder. So imagine you have got a super tidy room, bed made, clothes folded, everything in its place. That's low entropy. Super organized, but the second you stop putting energy into keeping it that way, it starts getting messy. Socks on the floor, dishes piling up. That's entropy creeping up because things naturally move towards chaos unless you fight it. It's not just room in though, it's everything. In science they say the universe is always sliding towards more disorder. Like, think of a hot coffee mug. When you pour it, it's steaming. All that heat energy is packed in there, but leave it for a bit and it cools down, right? The heat spreads out into the air and you can't get it back without adding more energy, like reheating it through oven or anything or any other device. That spread, that messiness is entropy doing its work. Here's a real life example. My car, I swear I clean it up, vacuum it, and crumbs, and it's spotless, but give it a week, random wrappers, coffee mugs, some loose change, it's a mess again. That's entropy. You have got to keep putting effort into it to stop it. It's why stuff breaks down over time, like old houses or even our bodies as we age. The universe is just like, nah, I'm gonna shuffle things now. For a fictional scenario, say a superhero named Captain Order with the power to keep everything perfect, you build this amazing city where nothing ever breaks, no rust, no cracks. But the second you take a vacation, entropy sneaks in. Buildings starts crumbling, roads crack, and chaos takes over. You'd have to keep using your powers non-stop to fight it because entropy never sleeps. The crazy part, it's not all bad. Entropy, why we can mix stuff like sugar dissolving in your tea or paint blending into cool colors. It's just the left. It's just that it's left. When left alone, you have got to put work in order to keep it, like organizing or fixing a relationship. So next time your life feels like it's unraveling, just blame entropy. It's not you. It's physics.